Hello and good evening to all. With due regard to my fellow student and friend, and due salutation to all my elders, I take this opportunity to present my thought about the agriculture in India. At the offset, I thank to the organizer for the opportunity they have provided to the student. On this occasion of the birthday celebration of our Honorable Shri Pawar Sahib, the leader of the masses, I very humbly pay my respect to this great personality. The subject of my presentation is very opted. As we all are aware, Sharad Pawar Sahib's contribution to the well-being of the farmer community. With due, with due respect to Sharad Pawar Sahib, I would like to present my thought about the subject. As you all know, India is an agriculture nation. Around 50% of our population is dependent on agriculture. It forms the backbone of our economy. It is the base of our food security. Despite the significant role played by it in our economy and society, government had neglected agriculture. This negligence led to multiple problems in the agriculture sector. First, fragmented landholding. The net area under cultivation is close to 141 million hectares. However, its immensity diminishes with the fact that vast number of landholding are fragmented to an extent being rendered economically unviable. This is the prime reason. Prime reason that agriculture is an instrument in India cannot be used effectively. Division of land by the virtue of inheritance has given the rise to the problem. Irrigation and mechanized farming is next to impossible on such fragmented land. Consolidation solution to this problem. Consolidation of the fragmented land at the grassroots level under the supervision of government is the best solution. Consolidation can be done via cooperative farming. Collaborative farming. The use of sophisticated farm machinery and equipment will help the farmer to increase the agriculture productivity. Supply channel bottleneck. Indian agriculture industries are riddled with the bottleneck at every step. The supply channel is inefficient because of the great middleman involved in the marketing process. It compels the farmer to make distress sale. They have to sell their produce at whatever price they have or offer, which ultimately diminishes their income. To solve the issue of their chain bottleneck, to solve the issue of supply chain bottleneck, the government has started regulating the market. Competitive buying, elimination of the malpractices, used to standardize weight and measure, enhance the dispute settlement system are the essence of this strategy. We can solve the government had taken a good step in this regard. Lack of storage. Lack of storage. The lack of proper storage facility result in degradation of the quality of the produce. This in turn affect the volume of export, causing the loss of potential income. Not to mention wastage of the produce. Estimates say that 9.3% of the produce gets wasted because of the improper storage and maintenance. To solve the issue, there is ongoing effort initiated by the Food Corporation of India, State Warehousing Corporation, and Central Warehousing Corporation to the extent the storage facility and establish the buffer stock for contingencies. Fourth, lack of sufficient irrigation facilities. After China, India has the largest cultivated area that has irrigational facility. However, it is cover only 1/3 of the total cultivated area. The major proportion of the farming activity still depend on the monsoon. The irregularities of the monsoon can destroy the crop and cause hefty losses to the farmer. To tackle the problem of dependence on monsoon, the government has been expanding the implementation of the irrigation facility through the Prime Minister Krishi Sinchay Yojana over the traditional crop. Over dependence on the traditional crop. Fifth, as I mentioned before, India produces rice and wheat in abundance. some region can easily adapt to the facilities the growth of new crop that can yield a higher quantity of produce. Farmers are resistance or hesitant to give it try. Endorsing the association of the commodity based farmer and spreading the awareness is very important, is very effective, very important way to overcome the over dependence on the traditional crop. The seed bank are playing a very crucial role in helping farmer to switch to other variety of crop to facilitate the smooth transition. I have been able to convey most of the important point related to agriculture in this limited time period. Thank you.